Let's move to the question number 2. Solve the equation 2 tangent square theta plus 3 secant theta is equal to 18, where the theta is less than 180 and greater than negative 180. We know that the tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta over cos of theta. And we also know that secant of theta is equal to 1 over cos of theta. We will use these formula as we are given that 2 tangent square of theta plus 3 secant of theta is equal to 18. Plugging these formula, we will have 2 sine square theta over cos square theta plus 3 times 1 over cos of theta is equal to 18. Okay, we can solve it further by taking LCM, and we will have cos square theta, and this one will be 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos of theta is equal to 18, and we will have 2 sine square theta plus 3 cos of theta is equal to 18 times cos square theta. We know that sine square of theta is equal to 1 minus cos of square theta, so we will have 2 1 minus cos of square theta plus 3 cos of theta is equal to 18 cos of square theta, and this one is 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos of theta is equal to 18 cos of square theta. Switching left hand side term on the right side, we will have 18 cos of square theta plus 2 cos of theta square theta minus 3 cos of theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 20 cos square of theta minus 3 cos of theta minus 2 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 2 times 20 is equals to negative 40, and negative 8 times positive 5 is equals to 40, negative 40, and when we add negative 8 plus 5 is equals to negative 3. So this equation can be written as 20 cos of square of theta minus 8 cos of theta plus 5 cos of theta minus 2 equal to 0. Taking 4 cos theta common, so we will have 5 cos of theta minus 2, and this one will be, taking 1 common, we will have 5 cos of theta minus 2 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 5 cos of theta minus 2 times 4 cos of theta plus 1. We have two factor equating each with 0. We will have 5 cos of theta minus 2 equal to 0, and on the other side we will have 4 cos of theta plus 1 equal to 0. And in this case, cos of theta is equal to 2 over 5, and theta is equal to cos inverse of 2 over 5. On the other side, we will have cos of theta is equal to negative 1 over 4, and theta is equal to cos inverse of negative 1 over 4. Okay, we know that the cos theta is positive in first and fourth quadrant and negative in third and second quadrant. Range given is negative 180 to positive 180. So this is the total range, or you can say that all 4 quadrants include in the given range. And we need to find the value of theta. This is a 2 over 5, and we'll have 2 angles in first and fourth quadrant. And here this is the negative value, which is negative 1 over 4. So the value of theta in this case will have 2 values, one in second quadrant, another one in third quadrant. First we solve this one by using calculator. We will have theta is equal to 66.42, and this is the value of theta in the first quadrant. Okay, and this same value will have the angle in fourth quadrant, and we can find the angle in fourth quadrant by using the base angle, and we know that base angle is the angle in first quadrant. So fourth quadrant angle can be find out by multiplying negative 1 with base angle. So fourth quadrant theta is equal to negative theta base, and in this case this is a base angle, so we can say that negative 66.42, and we will have theta is equal to negative 66.42. So we can say that this value 2 by 3 has two angles, which is theta is equal to plus minus 66.42. One is positive and another one is negative. In this case, theta is equal to cos inverse of negative 1 over 4. It's a negative value and we will have the angle in second and third quadrant. So first we find the base angle. Base angle is equal to the cos inverse of positive 1 over 4. And this one is equals to the 75.52. Angle in second quadrant can be found out by using the base angle. That the angle in second quadrant is equal to the 180 minus base angle, and 180 minus base angle, which is 75.52, and this one is equal to 104.47. So we have the angle in second quadrant, which is equal to 104.47. Now, this negative value will also have the angle in third quadrant. An angle in third quadrant can be found out by using the formula, which is equal to negative 180 minus base angle. And we calculated the base angle, which was 75.52. So plugging, we will have negative 180 minus 75.52. This one will be equal to negative 104.47. So we have two values corresponding to the negative 1 over 4 are theta is equal to negative and positive 104.47. We calculated the theta based on the value of 2 by 5 is equal to the plus minus 66.42. So these are four values of theta which satisfy this equation, and these four values also satisfy the range.